Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is an A2 sized sketchbook paper and we are going to create a dot mandala in this based on a client's request I'm doing. And I've shown the color palette in the thumbnail of this video. So let's get started with dotting. I forgot that A2 sized paper is so big and I had this 60 centimeter ruler. This is not enough, so I need to change the ruler now. I kept this paper a little tilted so that the edges will be visible in the video. This is a 1 meter ruler that I have. Center is found. Now that the center is found, I'll draw some circles at random. These days I don't struggle for color palette at all because it's my son or my entire family is into deep research and suggestions for the same. And this particular project is named by my son as Mango Dot Mandala. He just googled about how a mango will look like and what are the colors involved. There were multiple color palettes suggested, but this is the one that was chosen by my son, so I thought I'll just go ahead and use it. I'll start with dotting in the center in sap green. Now some bamboo green dots. Now some cream yellow dots. Now some light brown dots. I mixed brown and white to get this color. This is lighter version of Indian red. I mixed Indian red shade and white. Now some Indian red dots. I'll keep some cream yellow dots now. I'll keep some Indian red dots. I'll work the dots in Indian red. Now I'll keep some sap green dots. I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep light Indian red dots. Now I'll keep side swipes in bamboo green. I'll keep 2 more side swipes in light brown. I'll keep some cream yellow dots. I'll keep tiny dots in cream yellow. Now I'll keep some sap green dots. Now I'll keep some dots in light Indian red. I'll keep tiny dots in Indian red now. I'll keep plumpy dot in light brown. I'll fill this diamond shape. I'll keep some dots in sap green. I'll work the dots in sap green. Now I'll keep some brush strokes in light Indian red. Now I'll keep some brush strokes in bamboo green. I'll keep some more brush strokes in Indian red. Some more side swipes in cream yellow. I'll keep some more brush strokes in light Indian red. I'll keep some cream yellow dots. I'll keep straight swipes in light Indian red. I'll keep two side swipes in bamboo green. I'll keep some sap green dots. Now I'll keep some bamboo green dots. I'll keep some yellow dots now. I'll work the dots using bamboo green. I'll work the dots in cream yellow now. I'll keep some top dots in bamboo green. I'll keep some dots in light Indian red. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.